came in here because I think Chubby's asleep. No, he's not asleep. He showed up. All right, come on. I tell you, this dog's something else. He even thinks he hears me. Oops. Watch out for the microphone. Well, here we are again. It's a Sunday afternoon. And what was I going to do? Oh, well, I never did show anybody how this new solder sucker worked. So I think I'm going to do that. And I did clean the, on this radio, this RCA transistor radio, I did clean the line cord of all the grease. What I ended up doing was just soaking it in dishwashing detergent and scrubbing it down. I got all the grease out of it. And I'll show you the difference over here too. I'm going to get back over there. And yeah, well, look at this guy. Sleep, sleep, sleep. What you don't see is on the other side of the bed, cat's sleeping with a tennis ball next to him. Even at 14 years old, he still likes to play with a tennis ball. Guess he's got to do something in his spare time. So, yeah, things are about the same here. We do have some rather unusual weather. It's in the 50s here in northern Nevada. It was, actually yesterday it was warmer. It was 64. Today it's just barely going to hit 60. So, and I think next week we're supposed to have actually some rain coming in, I think on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But even then, still not enough to snow, just rain, no snow at all. So we've been pretty lucky there. We haven't had any big snowstorms like we had last year. Last year we had 3.5 feet dump in one night. So this year has been very mild this year. I've never even had to go out and even shovel snow once this time. But, so, we've been pretty lucky there. And, see what else is going on here. Not a whole heck of a lot. I think my brother Ron's going to go next Saturday. He's going to go up the top of Mount Peavine. Actually, he hiked up there already this last week. Had his 5th cortisone shot in his foot. And a dummy goes and hikes up there and actually said it actually felt better after he did the hike. And it was, Mount Peavine is 8,200 feet, which is 3,000 feet above us right here. So it took him a total round trip of almost 6 hours, I think he said it was. But, so yeah, something else. But next Saturday, if it doesn't rain, he's going to go ahead and take one of his amateur radios and drive up there and broadcast from up there on the mountain. So we'll see how that works. But right now, I'll show you what I did to this radio, and then let's see if we can show you how this solder sucker works. You know, I'm not going to look at you, Chubby, because he wants me to look at him so he can bark. Okay, down there. I think I got enough light. Oh, there he goes. Oh, jeez, that's my phone going off too. Anyhow, the old line cord I pulled out, that's how dirty it was. Okay, so we'll do that, compare that to after I cleaned it. A little bit of a difference there. So yeah, that was all grease, like kitchen grease or something. So at least took care of that. Now let's see. And the solder sucker I'm talking about is this one. Oops, got the name wrong. Oh, there it is. Koto. That's what it is. And of course, it's very simple to use. You got the push button on the side. Boop, and just push it down. When you need to use it, and just hit the button. So we're going to see Let's see if I can get in closer. I don't know. Without fuzzing everything out. I guess so. I guess that'll work. So, now here I gotta try to work over top my camera, which I don't know if I can do. Let me see if I can see if I can. You know, setting these things up is kind of a pain. Let's see. Oh, yeah, okay, there we go. All right, there it is right there. Spots are up there. And what we need, oh, there goes that damn phone again. Oh, shoot. Anyway, I actually marked it. These, that black felt marked there and there. That's the places I have to desolder. And we'll see if that'll work. Whoop. Well, helping hands are really not helping. Come on. Heat up. Heat up. Come on, heat up. Put it back together here with one hand here. And come on. Let's get you again. We'll hit our Mr. button here. Come on. Melt. So I say melt. 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 Well, not trying to get it to burn, we're trying to get it to melt. Melt! I'll try the other side. This one up here. All right, come on, you. Let's see. Got on the other side. Oops. Interesting. Well, anyway, it does work. Look at the tip. That's Teflon, so the tip doesn't melt. So, what? Gotta push out the. Yep. Still sucks. All right. Well, anyway, it does work after a fashion. Still not as good as I like it to work, but I'm doing this, trying to do this with one hand and trying to do something else. But anyway, oh, somebody's scratching me from behind. Ow! Stubby! He wants to say hi. This guy, tell you something else. What? Where are you going now? What? You want to go outside? Is that it? Oh, all right. Here we go again. Dog wants to go outside. Look at this. Run around in circles. I don't even know the dog's next door. And there he goes. He still thinks that squirrel's going to be out there. But he is not. But he's still looking. He's still searching. Alright, well, that'll be it for now. See you guys later. Yeah, I wanted to show you what this looked like. I was able to solder the new line cord back in with no problem at all. And no, those little marks are not, that's not burned. Those are where I marked where they had to go. Just in case, since I'm so blind as a bat, I can't see stuff. But anyway, I wanted to show you after I put the new, or cleaned up line cord in, I should say. Anyhow, so now that's going to be it for now. And who knows, we'll try to test it next time, see what it does. That'll be it for now. See all you guys.